In the previous video, we have learned about the software mesh, and coming into this video, we are going to learn about the layered technology of software engineering. Software engineering is a fully layered technology. To develop software, we need to go from one layer to the another layer. That is, to develop a software, we need to undergo from one process to the another process, so that the output of the first process layer will be the input of the next process layer. So all the layers are connected and each layer demands the fulfillment of the previous layer. Fulfillment should be there by the previous layer, so that the next layer will undergo the processing. So getting into the layers of that, so there are 4 types of layers in this. First one is tools, methods, process, quality. That is TMPQ. Tools, methods, process, quality. So quality of focus. It defines the continuous process to improve the principle of software. It defines the continuous process for the improvement of the principles of software. So here it also provides the security of the software, so that the data will not be stolen by the outsider rather than the accessed authorized person. The person who has authorized the software can only change or access the data. No outsider can access the data. Coming into the next layer, that is process layer. It is a basic layer or a foundation of the software engineering. Process is a key that binds all the layers together. It binds all the 4 layers together, which enables the development of the software before the deadline or run on time. Even if for developing a software, we even have the deadline. So this process key will join all the layers together, and it will make the software more frequently before the deadline occurs or on time. The software process covers all the activities, actions, tasks required to be carried out for the development of software. It performs all the activities, tasks, and etc. things for the development of software. In this process, there are few steps to construct a software. That is, first step is for the communication, planning, modeling, construction, deployment. Coming into the communication, the communication is done according to the demands of the client. Whatever the demands the client provides, we need to fulfill that demands. That is what in the communication we do. Planning is a process where we are planning for the next step. What we need to do in the next step, we are planning here. So the planning is a map. Okay, planning a map. Modeling means model is created according to the plan which is given in the previous layer. Model is created according to the requirements of client. Construction is nothing but in this layer, in this process, we are gonna write the code and we are gonna test the code of the problem. Okay, we're gonna do that. Next, deployment, delivery of the software to the client. Finally, we're gonna fulfill the demand, all the demands of the client. We're gonna plan them. The model is created, that model is constructed, tested, and all the errors has been rectified, and finally we are developing the software to the client. This is what is done in the process layer. Next layer is a method layer. Method layering. During the process of software development, the answers to all the questions in this layer, all the questions which are raised by the client will be verified. That is, how to do, what we should do, those type of questions are being answered in this layer. Information of all the tasks, which includes the communication, like we're gonna give the information of the every task, the communications, etc. Like in this method, we're gonna also give the requirement analysis, design modeling, construction, testing, support. These are all provided in this the method layer, where the information of the all the task will include these all information is given to the client. Next, tools are like software engineering tools provides a self-operating system for the process of methods. It provide in the previous method we are gonna do the testing, those all things. For the testing we need some tools, right? We in these tools we are gonna provide the tools for the testing to the previous layer. That is, information created by one tool can be used by the another tool. Okay, in this way we gonna layer a technology. That is, first step we have done is quality, next the process, next method, tools. Okay, in the next video I'm gonna continue with the capability maturity model integration, that is CMMI.